Patterson Fan Co. has updated its High-5 HVLS ceiling fan. It now features a 43-in frame, 10-in shorter than the previous model, making it better suited for buildings with low ceiling heights. Suitable for use in industrial facilities such as warehouses and manufacturing plants, it now includes an updated clamping mechanism for simplified installation. The fan generates a breeze during the warmer months, producing a 6 to 8 degree cooling effect, and promotes destratification through the colder months. The 5 blades are contoured for maximum air movement. Custom ground helical cut good gears help ensure quiet operation.